Good morning, Lincoln Mustangs. Miss Monis here with your morning announcements for Wednesday, May 7th, 2025. Hoping to ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. And I want to remind everybody that this Friday will be the last day to earn AR points for the Elevate trip coming up. There's a primary trip date coming up and a middle school trip coming up. So this Friday is the last day to try to add any points to your total number of points. Congratulations goes out to Miss Hendrickson's class, Miss Klusendorf's class, Miss Gonzalez's class, and Miss Lopez's class. They completed the Mayflower AR 100% Classroom Participation Challenge. Way to go! I also owe a belated shout out to our top AR students for the month of April. With the very most points, we had Taylor Elliott, who I know has moved now, but Taylor was at 261 AR points. And then sneaking up from behind, we have two fifth graders, Ariel Laxton with 154.9 and Mallory Palazzo with 152.4. And then in primary, our top student is Thomas Amisi with 78.6, and then Kenley Boyd with 65, and Raymond Williams with 54.3. I think it's probably safe to say that these guys are going on that AR Elevate trip. Another reminder that it is an early dismissal day, so students will release at 10:30. Students, it is very important that you do not dilly-dally today. More important than even most days, because most of us have meetings that we have to get to. So we need you to get to where you're supposed to be going as soon as possible at dismissal. Also, a reminder from our fine arts peeps. At 8 o'clock, all band students will need to report to Miss Martin's room for a full rehearsal. And then at 9 o'clock, all middle school choir students for Miss Rude will also need to go to Miss Fowler's room for a full rehearsal. Other Encore teachers are going to be there to help supervise the students and to supervise the transition to and fro. The track team has practice tomorrow until 3:45. At that time, they will also have their team pictures taken. Athletes, please stop by Miss Lacey's room for your uniform. You may wear your shirt with something underneath it during the school day, but not the shorts. You will wear the whole uniform for pictures and for practice. Our rescheduled meet is on Monday, and we will also have one on Tuesday. All right. Teachers and students, please be advised that we will let you know when it is time for your class to come and retrieve the sack lunch for today. We have one Mustang with a birthday today, and that is Leo Ibanez in 5th grade. And then continuing on with some summer birthdays, on June 11th, we have Jaslyn Alexander in 4th grade, Jose Cosme in 4th grade, Dana Hernandez Garcia in 7th grade. On June 12th, we have Kamarion Jones in 8th grade, Kyrie Sledge in 2nd grade. On June 13th, Ida Davenport in kindergarten, Sophia Valentin Vasquez in 7th grade. On June 15th, we have Michaela Nunn Alexander in 6th grade. On June 16th, we have Eduardo Rojas in kindergarten. And on June 17th, we have Trino Barajas in kindergarten and Lizette Mania Esweda in 8th grade. All of these Mustangs may come on to my office to retrieve their birthday prize, but remember, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. The 7 Mindsets quote of the day is by Magic Johnson. What sport was he famous for? The quote is, "We all have to play as a team to make the world a better place." And he would know that because he played on a sports team. This has been Miss Monis with your morning announcements, hoping you have a wonderful Wednesday.